It's scary. Thank you. Hey, fix my shoe. I'm right here. Oh, my shoe back. Let me fix it. Let me fix it. Okay? I wait for it. Fix it after.
Okay guys, so I'm just starting the vlog now. It has been an awful night after I stopped vlogging, but right now I'm just heading out. I'm getting everything together and we're getting out of this hotel, but I'll explain once we get there. We're heading to Becca's house right now, so let's get going. Alright guys, so we're just at Tim Hortons right now. I'm just so happy to be out of there. Like, I just am so upset. But yeah, we're at Tim Hortons right now. Adeline's just eating some breakfast. And then we're gonna head out to Becca's house. Hopefully it gets better. The day gets better. Our train's leaving at 2:30, so hopefully it gets better. Okay, so we made it to Becca's. I'm actually gonna try and get Adeline's reaction to her seeing Becca for the first time in a long time. So let's try and get.
Yep, sorry. Let's go see Becca. Come on, Mommy. Go step on your secret.
No, go wait for her.
Okay.
She's patiently waiting. Becca has secured entry, so we have to wait. But Adeline's getting impatient. She's still in her pajamas, so I need to change her.
I'm hot.
Come here, babe.
I'm hot.
Guys, I made my first boo-boo. I smoked under the canopy and someone just told me to move, so that kind of sucks. But I'm sorry, management. I'm sorry, I didn't know. I'm not from here. Please forgive me, lady. She's still waiting. Who's that, Ad? Is that it, Becca? Okay guys, so we are in downtown London right now. We're headed to a mall. I've never been here, so I think we're gonna check it out. Hopefully I can find an iPhone charger, but we'll see. All right, we'll go back out in a minute. We're gonna go to the dollar store. Ready? the rain and
washed the spider out.
out came the
Rain.
sun and dried all the rain and the itsy spider. Serious thing, go.
Ping pong, is you ready? Rock it on! Ready? 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I got to do this.
Make sure you sing. Okay, sing. So we're just walking home from my aunt's right now. We've been back in town for a couple hours, but we had a mishap, which I'll talk to you guys when we get there. Right now I'm just trying to film and walk at the same time and push a stroller, so this is not great, but anyway. Okay guys, so we made it home a little bit ago. I actually did my makeup on the train just because like I had some time, and so the train was actually horrible. I'm actually gonna let you guys know what happened there. As you guys can tell, we are home. So what happened on the train was I was supposed to get on car 3. I was supposed to get on car 5. I ended up getting on car 3, and so I had to walk all the way down, and it was just it was horrible. So that's how that went. And then we were in a car by ourselves, but my friend Ashley ended up catching the train with me. She was going back to Chatham, so we ended up just going together. After that, we went to my aunt's house for a little while, and then, yeah. So we are currently just hanging out at home. They added a new Grey series, so I'm just watching that while Adeline plays on her phone. So with that being said, I'm going to get a bunch of cleaning done. My face is looking like a hot mess. I did have foundation on, but now it looks awful. I think my eyelashes look great, and yes, these are my eyelashes. I just have some mascara on and my lip color. My hair's a mess. I need to get my hair cut. But yeah, I need to do some laundry. Oh, my hair. I need to do some laundry, and I need to finish cleaning up the house and get ready to paint that bathroom. I still have been yet to paint that bathroom, so I really need to get that done. My phone ended up dying, so like I couldn't record when we were at the train station. And then my phone, I bought a charger from the place across from the mall, and it didn't end up working, so that's life right now. So it really sucks, but I'm gonna finish up some Grays, and then I'm gonna put her to bed hopefully early today, because she got up pretty early and hasn't had a nap, or I think she fell asleep for like 10-20 minutes on the train. So hopefully I can get her down to bed pretty early so that I can get this house done, and then cuddle up and watch some Grays. So now that I have a couple minutes, I'm gonna kind of explain what happened with the hotel. So what happened last night was, after I stopped filming, it was about 3 a.m. and I fell asleep with Adeline, and Adeline obviously fell asleep way before then. So what happened was, we were sleeping and I got woken up to like this awful smell, and I was like, what the hell? First it was like having sex, like I get it. People have sex, it's okay, it's a hotel. And then I started to smell like marijuana, and like I usually wouldn't say anything because like it's me, but Adeline shouldn't have had to stay in that smell. So I ended up calling front desk. He's like, I'll be right up. So then he showed up. And then he said that he didn't smell it. And then he opened the door and realized that you can smell it. And so he moved us to a different room, which was not that great either. And then I got woken up like every 5 minutes from door slamming and stuff. And it was just not a good experience. And also finding out about the drug trafficking, everything like that. It's just a lot to deal with right now. And so I'm just glad we're home. I was definitely not staying another night. They did give me a coupon, which thank you, but won't be using. So yeah, I'm just hanging out here, and I thought I'd just let you guys know what was going on. We had an amazing time with Becca. It was about like an hour or so or longer. We ended up leaving early just because I needed to get Adeline some food. But it was nice to just see her and hang out, and being able to talk about everything just made me really feel comfort. Becca, you guys know, is one of my best friends, dear to my heart, and I love her so much and her whole family. And like, I'm so glad that they pray for me, and so I just love her so much. Okay, guys, so I just put Adeline to bed. She's currently sleeping. I'm about to go to bed myself. I'm super tired, and I have to wake up super early tomorrow, so I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and I'll see you guys in another daily vlog. And I can't believe I'm back daily vlogging. I've missed you guys so much.